Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So we are going to do this question here given that 5x is 125 minus 3y plus z and root of 5x minus 5 minus root of z minus 3y is equal to 0. Then what we have to find the value of this one. So now let us start with the given things. So this is given here. So when we rearrange this, we get 5x, z will take on this side, so that is going to be minus z. Again, this is going to be plus 3y and 125 is on the right hand side, the same thing. So now what will we do here? We'll take minus common over here, this will be same. So what remains in the bracket is z and this is plus, so minus minus becomes plus. So this is minus 3y is 125. So let us treat this as equation number 1. And now let us take this equation. So again, if we are rearranging this is going to be as it is. This is going to be as it is, but minus 5 will go on the right hand side. So let us take this as equation number 2. So now what are we going to do? We'll take root of 5x as a, root of 5x as a, and root of z minus 3y as b. So now what will happen here if we take this thing? So equation 1. So equation 1, what will happen to this one? So this is 5x. So but if we multiply root of 5x into root of 5x. So what do we get here? A into a. So that is going to be root of 5x into root of 5x. That is going to be root of 5, this one, just 5x. So because that is root of 25x square, that is going to be 5x. So now what we can see, but this is what a and this is a. So a into a, that is going to be this equation, this is going to be a square. Same for b. Root of z minus 3y, we are going to consider this as b here. So if we, so what is that going to be? Root of z minus 3y into root of z minus 3y, that will be b into b. But when we take out this root, what are we going to get here? Z, this one. So here we are going to consider this as b square. Z plus 3y. So this is 125. So here what we can see here, an equation here, this equation number 2. So what is that going to be equation number 2? So this is considered this as a and this is considered as b. So it is going to be equation 2 is going to be a minus b is equal to 5. So now what will we do? So this equation, we can also write this equation as, this is a square minus b square, means you can also write as a minus b and a plus b, and this 125 as it is. So now let us consider this as equation number 3. So now what will we do? Putting a minus b is equal to 5 in equation number 3, because we got this one, a minus b is equal to 5. So that thing we are going to put in equation number 3. So what will we get here? So here we get here 5 into this a plus b. So in this one, in place of this a minus b, we are going to put that 5 and this a plus b as it is, and this is 125. So now a plus b, what is that way? That is 125 and this is multiplication. So this is going to get divided. So this a plus b is 125 divided this will be 25. So this is equation number 4. So now what are we going to do? We want, what did they ask for? They asked this one, value of this. So what will we do here? First thing, we will find the value of a. So we are going to solve this equation. We got this equation a minus b is equal to 5 and here we got a plus b is equal to 25. So now if we solve this, a minus b is equal to 5 and a plus b is equal to 25. So this both get cancelled. So what is this going to be? 2a. This will be 30. So a is going to be 30 divided by 2. So that is going to be 15. So now what we have, here, we had considered what was that? Root of 5x as a. So now if we consider this root of 5 as a, so this root of 5x will keep as it is, and in place of a, we are going to write this 15. So now what will we do? When we square both sides, So when we square this one and we square this, so what do we get here? When you square, we get 5x, and this when you square this one, you get 225. So x is going to be 225 divided by 5, and which is 45. Now what are you going to do? Again putting a is equal to 15 in equation. So that is a minus b is equal to 5. So here you have this equation, right? A minus b is equal to 5. So now what will you do here? 15 minus b is equal to, because we have the value of a as 15. 15 minus b is equal to 5. So this minus b is equal to 5 on its place, and this goes on the other side, that is going to be minus 15. So minus b is going to be minus 15 plus 5, that is going to be minus 10. So because both the side there is negative sign, we can cancel out that sign. So b is 10. So now we got here again, what did we consider this as? Root of z minus 3y as b. So we'll write here root of z minus 3y is equal to b. But now we got the value of this, so this will be as it is. We got the value of b as 10, so we are going to put in this place as 10. So again, what are we going to do? We are going to square both sides. So root of z minus 3y whole bracket square, that is square of 10. So now when we remove this one root, and this is the square, so this is going to be just z minus 3y, and which is 100. So now we want the value of this. So this is given over here. So we have this 45 as it is, and we got z minus 3y is 100. So in place of this, we are going to put 100, and we already got the value of x before here, that was 45. So we got this as 45. So now what are you going to do? This 45, when this 45 gets cancelled, that is 1. So this we get root of 100, and that is 10. So by this one, we have completed the question over here. Please do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.